Bengal Chief Minister has brought her fight against the SIR, the Intensive Electoral Roll Revision Exercise, from Bengal to Delhi. And while addressing media today, in her latest charge, she says that BLOs in Bengal have been appointed illegally. And she's repeated her allegation that voting rights are being taken away. She says that West Bengal is the only state where BLOs are being appointed illegally against election regulations and statutory rules. She also said, speaking about her meeting with the CEC, that even a murderer gets a chance to speak about their line of defense, but you are deleting names without even giving voters a chance. Shreya now joins us live from the location. Shreya, a day before the matter is to come up in the Supreme Court, on what basis is Mamata Banerjee saying that BLOs are being appointed illegally?
So you're right that the action will shift to the Supreme Court tomorrow, but today there was enough and more drama at the press conference. First things first, Priya, we know how strongly Mamata Banerjee feels about the SIR, because today she has distributed a copy of her poems, 26 poems on the SIR, to all the press that had come to meet her and listen to her speak. Today was the official press conference. The point is that there is a war of versions that has been underway since yesterday about what exactly happened at the Election Commission when Mamata Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee and the TMC team actually went to meet the Election Commission. Now, the Election Commission's version is this, that Mamata Banerjee was very badly behaved. She was extremely rude. At one point of time, she banged her hand on the table and simply walked out, stormed out of the Election Commission. Now, today I asked Mamata Banerjee that question. I said, you know, the fact is that this is what the Election Commission has been saying. And here you are saying that you were the ones who were badly misbehaved with. To which she said, look, I went there with flowers. I went to meet the Chief Election Commission with sweets as well, but they were very badly behaved. They simply did not want to listen to us. They were behaving like his master's voice, and there was little we could do except to boycott them. Now, what exactly does a political party boycotting the Election Commission mean? That is again a question that was asked to her. She was, her answer to my mind was evasive. She said the government will follow rules, but the party is not obliged to follow any rules. So you can interpret it whichever way you want, but you're right. Tomorrow the action now shifts to, of course, the Supreme Court.
Sources now suggesting that Mamata Banerjee might be present in the Supreme Court, which would only make sense, because why else would she come all the way from West Bengal to Delhi? She's clearly not letting go of this matter. Thank you, Shreya, for joining us with those insights. But yesterday, Mamata Banerjee had claimed that the Home Ministry has instructed the Delhi police to, quote-unquote, harass her and her delegation, alleging that cops even entered Bang Bhavan. The official Twitter account of TMC has posted multiple videos calling them proof.
Brother, what happened? Why are you people are here? You cannot prostate my Banga Bhavan to the whole Baba. What happened? आप लोगों को क्यों क्या हुआ आप लोगों ने क्या करना है इधर में? दिल्ली पुलिस से क्यों आप लोग थ्रेट कर रहा है? क्या किया है? आप इधर में रुको। आप तो इधर में से भाग क्यों रहा है? भाग क्यों रहा है? देखिए भाई, हम नमस्ते करके कहते हैं, आप लोगों को जैसा भाई बहन है, हमारा भी भाई बहन है। अगर कोई लोगों को घर में कोई आदमी को डेथ हो गया SIR में, वो लोग बच्चा लेके वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का पास बात करने के लिए आए। हमारा का प्रेस मीडिया है, मीडिया का साथ मिक्स करने के लिए आया। हम कोई एजुकेशन नहीं करने के लिए आया। अगर आप हमको कुछ ऐसा करेंगे बेइज्जती, तो हम भी जब तक हम काम लेना चाहता है, लेकिन आप मेहरबानी करके इसको बात सुनते हमारे लोगों को।
आपके पास कुछ कागज है? आप जो यहाँ आए हैं, इंस्पेक्टर मैम तो भाग गई। कहाँ इंस्पेक्टर मैम? आपके पास कुछ कागज है मैम? आपके पास कुछ कागज होना चाहिए, वारंट होना चाहिए, ऑर्डर होना चाहिए। आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है। आपके पास ऑर्डर अगर होगा, व्हाट्सएप का ऑर्डर चलता नहीं है। अगर आपके पास कागज का ऑर्डर होगा, हमें दिखाओ कि हाँ ये फलाना ऑर्डर है। कौन सी ऑर्डर से आप ये लोग को